The Chartreux. Who can resist this cat? It's hard to stay indifferent to its beauty and sweet smiling face expression. Number 1. Where does this kitty come from? The Chartreux has been around for a long time. One of the legends is supposedly that the Chartreux' motherland is in the region of Syria, before leaving on the trade routes towards France. Its exact origin remains quite mysterious and lost in many legends. In France, the Chartreux was first called the cat with the blue coat, and in the 18th century they gave him the title of Cats of Chartreux. According to one of the legends, this breed was called so because it lived in the monasteries with the Chartreux monk and was used for chasing rats at the time when the bubonic plague was out of hand across Europe. In 1926, the Léger sisters found a glaring of Chartreux and took them in to ensure their survival. This marked the beginning of the first breeding of this gorgeous cat. In 1931, at the Cat Club of Paris, there was an exhibition, and the efforts of the Léger sisters were rewarded when their cat Mignonne de Gervais became the international champion and is glorified the most aesthetic cat of the exhibition. After many years, in 1939, the first breed standards were established. Number 2. What kind of personality does he have? Look at this smiley face cat. Who can resist a cat that greets you with the powerful purr? They are very loyal, kind, affectionate, and also a noticeable independent side. This furball is not a fan of being held all the time. He will decide when it's cuddle time and be around his human parents. Being very discreet, he can be often by your side without ever bothering you. When cooking, you may turn around and your feline friend may just be behind you. Surprise! Known to be quiet, he also rarely makes his sweet meowing sounds. Since the Chartreux is not an invasive cat, he doesn't need constant attention and can tolerate loneliness very well. Although this fluffy feline is gentle, he is also playful and intelligent. Offering him interactive games like a hunting game, so he can put forward his qualities as a hunter, which he has inherited, can be fun. That said, the play period are never very long, and usually he will find his favorite spot to go back snoozing. Number 3. Look at me! This furball's body is sometimes labeled as primitive, being strong and robust, halfway between a stocky and midline constitution, with broad shoulders and chest, a muscular neck, and solid jaw. His head is the shape of an inverted trapezoid, with broad and rounded contours. His cheeks are voluminous and well developed. His forehead is high, and his nose is straight, broad, and moderately long. Medium-length tail that is lively and flexible, that is heavy at the base and tapering towards oval-shaped tip. Their legs are somewhat thin but strong. Paws are almost oval in shape and wide. His eyes are large, round, and expressive, are of deep golden to orange. If your cat has green eyes, he cannot bear the label of Chartreux, even though he has all the classic characters of the breed. His fur is moderately short and particularly dense, slightly woolly and raised. His undercoat is abundant, so the thickness and toughness of the Chartreux fur allows him to adapt to all types of climates. You can see any shades of gray-blue, from ash to slate, slightly brushed silver-tip fur, but the attention is on the clarity and uniformity of the color instead of the nuances. The preferred shade is a bright, flawless blue with an overall lustrous shine. The male is heavier and can weigh up to 17 pounds, and for the female, between 8 to 12 pounds. They have a lifespan of 15 to 20 years. Number 4. Please groom me. The Chartreux needs a good brushing once or twice a week. Even though he has a short-haired coat, he has a double and very dense fur that requires careful grooming with a fine tooth comb to avoid formation of knots and eliminate all dead hair that will accumulate in its coat. Spring molting is sometimes impressive and often exasperating in those period of times. You will need to brush him more often and probably bring your vacuum out for a few more runs. Number 5. Lunchtime. Chartreux are generally a glutinous animal. He is able to eat large quantity of foods, even to the point of becoming sick. For a kitten, divide his meals in 5 small portions during the day. He will need a diet rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, and also fats, until up to 1 year of age. For all adult cats, his diet must be adapted to his lifestyle. If he's an outdoorsy going cat, he will need a diet rich in protein to compensate for his physical activities. On the other hand, if he's an indoorsy kind of cat, you will need to watch his portion ratio. That will need to be less because he could quickly become overweight. Good quality food will have a beneficial outcome on your cat's health. Try to avoid low-end cat food. Number 6. What about health? Just as all humans can get sick, all cats have the risk of developing genetic health problems. Chartreux, being a robust and sturdy cat breed, by comparison, have few health problems. But they are occasional potential health matters to be on the watch for. They are prone to polycystic kidney disease, condition in which multiple cysts are filled with fluids forming in the kidneys. Struvit stones in the urinary tract. It's a type of hard mineral deposit that can form in the kidneys. Struvit stones can grow very quickly. This may cause a blockage of the kidney, urethra, or bladder and will eventually damage his kidneys. And joint problems of the leg, like dislocations, patella, and some others, may be more common in this breed. Number 7. Ideal human parent. With his soft and calm character, the Chartreux makes him suitable for a quiet environment. Although discreet and independent, he will be very attached to his human parent and appreciate the attention given to him. He will need a careful and available human parent to take care of him regularly for some grooming, game, and cuddling sessions. He likes the company of other pets and children, but does not appreciate being annoyed or treated with disrespect. Number 8. Price-wise. The purchase price of a Chartreux depends on a set of criterias. These include, among other things, like gender, age, pedigree, and the breeder's reputation. On average cost for a kitten can be around $600, but for a kitten with show quality can go for around $800 or more. Has this breed captivated your interest? With his adorable smiley face and sweet meow sounds, I can't get enough of this cuteness. Hope this video brought you some insights on this smiling cat breed. Please leave a thumbs up to a Comrade Cat Lover and subscribe to our cat loving channel. We would also love to hear about your favorite fur feline. You can comment that below. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.